Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a unicorn face on Dress to Impress. I won't be doing the body, just the face though, because it's going to take a long time if I do everything. So we are going to get this beanie here, that's what I call it, and I'm just going to color it this color. So E64CE. And then for the adjustments, we're going to do Y at 0.4, Z at 0.53, rotate it at 0, Z at 0.48, and scale it down to 0.37. Then we're going to get this fur hat, and we are going to color it FFD3, D7. This like pinkish color. I'm just going to adjust it now. 0.51, Y at 0.36, Z at 0.19, rotate it at 0.07, and then scale it to 0.01. This is for like the horse's like nose, like the unicorn's nose. And then we're going to use this like bucket hat in FFB4, B4. And then for the position, it's Y at 0.35. C at 0.21, rotate it at 0.13, Y at 0.5, and then scale it all the way to 0. Let me check if I'm still recording or not. Okay, because this tutorial takes forever. And then we're going to get the... Hold on. This like cat here. And then we're going to color it this color, E7D5CF. And then, should I do it in matte? Okay, I'll do that later. Position it at Y at 0.42, Z at 0.23. Rotate it at 0, Y at 0.51, and then 0.49, and scale it all the way to 0. And I think we're going to do matte on that one as well. Select this headband here and color it to E6C9CE. And then for the adjustments, 0.27 for the y-axis, 0.25 for the z-axis, rotate it at 0, and then scale it all the way to 0 as well. Got this like earmuff, and color it this color, FFCCCC, for both of that. And then for the adjustments, we're going to do Y at 0.44, Z at 0.08, rotate it at 1, and then scale it all the way to 0. Like so. Can we make that matte or not? Okay, can't. Next, for the unicorn horn, we're going to use this one. If you don't have this, just use the one from VIP. We're actually just going to rotate it to the 0.85 x-axis. Sorry, x rotation. And we're going to color it this color, CD9F85, to like this goldish color, I guess. Then we're going to add on this hair. This is just like the base of everything. I'm not done with the face, so trust the process, okay? For the color, we're going to do two colors. We're going to do FD9CB4, and then for the second color, we're going to do F6CEFF. And then for the adjustments, we're going to position the z-axis to 0.69. Sorry, 59. My bad. And then rotate it to 0.75. And next, we are going to do the face. We're going to add more hair, but later. We are going to use these horns here in the color black. And then we're going to position it at Y at 0.30. Sorry, that is rotation. 0.35. Z at 0.21. Rotate it at 1. And then we're not going to scale it anymore. Then we're going to use the Easter Bunny, like, what's it called? Ears? I cannot say ears, I guess. We're going to color them black first. And then the second color, we're going to color it FF, 8, BD, and 1 for the inner ear part. And then we're going to position that at Y at 0.22, Z at 0.36, and we're going to scale it all the way down to 0.27. Then we are going to also get the lashes here. Where is the, oh, here it is. You can use like any lashes, I guess. I'll just use this one, the 7th toggle. Y at 0.62, Z at 0.55, and then scale it up to 0.66 or more if your lashes aren't long enough. Then I'm going to get these round earrings in white. And then for the accessory adjustment, Y at 0.67, Z at 0.3, and scale it all the way to 0.22. There. Alright, we have 4 more items. So, okay, for the ears, we're going to use this in E6D4CE and in FFC3C4. And for the accessory adjustment, it's not that much, 0.54, 0.51, and we're going to scale it down just a little bit, like so. 3 more items. Let's go back to this salon, to the hair salon here. Go to bangs and select this. And then color it to FF93A5. And then the second one to FFD8FE. For the adjustments here, 0.67 on the y-axis. 0.57 on the z-axis, and then scale it up just a little bit. Then we're going to go to this hair right here, and then I'll just position it first. Actually I'll do the hair color first. FFA 3A7, And then here it's F9C7FF. And then you're going to add in some adjustments. Position 0.49 on the x-axis, y at 0.72, z at 0.4, rotate it to 0.83 on the x, y at 1, whoops, z at 0.89, and scale it all the way to 0. Next, we're going to add in a flower crown to cover some stuff up. We're going to add this one. And then we are going to color it a lot of colors. So for the first one, I'm just going to leave it. For the second one, I'll do D18CFF. For the third rows, I'll do FF82B5. And then for the butterflies, I'll do B2BEFF. And I'm just going to leave the rest. And then for this one, we do need to make some adjustments. So 0.58 on the y-axis, 0.52 on the z-axis. Rotate it all the way to 1. And then scale it to 0.25. Actually, I'm not going to scale it down that much. And here is our unicorn. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!